Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check Uber price before ordering. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Uber app, and once you open it here, now all you gotta do is tap on Ride with Uber. And once you tap on that, first you need to set up your pickup location. Let me just select this one and then tap on confirm pickup. And the next thing that you need to do is select the location where you want to go. Simply just type in the location or simply tap on set location on map. And once you do that, select the location where you want to go. And once you select it, here you'll find a button that says confirm destination. Simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, here on gathering options, you'll be provided with available vehicles with their respective prices, and that's basically how you can view or check your Uber price before ordering. All you gotta do is select the price that is preferable for you and then book it, and that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.